Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can edit Instagram highlight covers using Canva Mobile. Now, it's this app with which you can easily edit and create your own Instagram highlight covers. Now, what are those? Well, when you have a highlight in your account, you will see that it is showing me just the content that is on there. But if I want a specific cover for this highlight, you can create one using Canva. Now you can do this easily by going onto the Canva app and logging in and making an account. Once that is done, just search for this, which is Instagram story highlight covers. Once you search for that, you will get a bunch of options. You will see different styles. And if you click on this drop down menu where it says category, you can see all these different types of things that you can search for. For now, I feel like this one is good, but you will see that it is a pro version only, so you can scroll down and search for free ones. So as you can see, this is great where it says my story. I can quickly click on it, and once it is opened, you can delete the other parts of the image so that you can just download this part and put it onto your highlight cover. Now I want a pen symbol over here so that I can put in my personal journal in the highlight. So I'll quickly remove my story as well. And after this is done, you can go ahead and click on elements and search for pen. Now you can do this for any item or element that you have. I'm just using this as an example. As you can see, these are all the options that I have. I'll quickly scroll and see where it is a free pen. So as you can see, this one is great. I'll resize it. So once this is done, you can click on the share icon on the top right corner to download the image. Once you click on download, you will get all these options. Make sure you have selected PNG and that you have selected this option where it says just the current page. So I'll click on done. I'll click on download. And once this is done, it will get saved into my gallery. So as you can see, it is now saved onto my gallery. So I'll quickly go ahead and edit the cover of my highlight. So I can long press on the highlight, click on edit highlight, click on edit cover, click on this and select this, go and click on next. And once this is done, I can frame it so that it fits the entire circle. Once everything is done, you can go ahead and click on done and click on done again. And that is it. You now have created your own cover, your Instagram highlight cover on Canva and put it up on your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos you should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.